Hey everyone, SMG here, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be reacting to something about Mega Man X animated, loud sound and flashlight warning by Terminal Montage. And make sure you watch the original link, subscribe to Terminal Montage. I have a few special guests with me. I got JD, Jerry's Reacts, and Jet. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Good, thanks for having me.
Anyway guys, make sure you subscribe with notifications on. Make sure you give a like on this video. Again, subscribe to Terminal Montage, and I'll let the others do their intros.
Let's get it in 3,
2, 1, and go.
Go.
Montage.
Mega Man X. Everyone's destroying everyone.
Let's go, guys!
Ready. Oh!
Shoot.
Everyone's like screaming. Dead.
Okay, could you guys please stop?
We won't be fighting men.
Dead. Like, can you guys please stop? Die.
Hey, X. Listen, X here. The
Zero.
big boys like me are gonna go take care of this. Why don't you go wait at HQ where it's safe for you little baby boobop.
Baby boobop.
Baby booba. Oh.
I'm a big boy. I can help.
Yeah, you big boy. You big boy.
Yeah.
Da, 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 da.
And there it is.
I'm a big boy.
I'm a big boy.
Mega Man.
You must recover all the energy
the fuck
immediately,
is that?
Mega Man.
Yo!
That's a
who's
good
that?
question.
Yo!
Who's that?
I don't know why
Oh, you got new boots.
Whoa.
Hey. What?
Oh god.
That's it.
I'm a Mega Man.
What?
Oh!
He is a Mega Man.
And he got... Mega Man.
Yo, this song is really good.
I would say it's really good.
Yo.
Hey! They're doing the guitar! Guitar battle. Guitar battle. Now hit him with the guitar. Hit him with the guitar. Hit the guitar. Hit the guitar. Oh! Fucking gun. Oh. Electrocuted the dog. Ah, it's an octopus. Dead. Doing all these like a speed run shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, there he is. He's like glitching out, hacking everything. Dead. Missile time. Now I have like this green dinosaur guy, don't know his name.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, he's right there. Oh, destroyed a bit of that. Oh, right in the wing. It's got squished her feathers. That's everyone.
Warning.
Oh, that's the last level.
Oh, that's the last level.
Do I smell soiled baby diapers?
Boy, if you don't get.
Boy, if you don't.
White man
Oh,
versus
so you have
tiny
chosen
baby
death.
man.
Oh!
Little man. You are no match for me.
Gotta take that vial. Pretty sure that's vile.
Ew!
Oh!
Okay.
The comment.
Oh! Just ripped off his arm.
Dang. Take off his arm.
Oh, no.
Welcome. I see you've managed to get here all by yourself.
I don't know if that's. I'm gonna butcher his name. I think his name is Sigma or something. I'm pretty sure that's not Sigma or whatever. He's got a lightsaber. What the fuck?
Oh no, he's too strong.
Oh no, he's too strong.
He did.
Lightsaber.
Kick his head. Get it out of here.
This isn't even my final form.
Reaction.
It's
Oh
not.
no, you're a wall now.
That's right, X.
This is my. Yeah.
The, what the fuck? It looks like Majora's Mask.
Do you really think you can defeat me?
Yes.
Maybe. Yes. But yeah, on the moon.
What?
The head on the moon. All the way to Earth. Dead. Hey, you did it. Whoa, the end. Oh yeah, it was Sigma. Alright. I was right, it was Sigma.
Wait, guys. There's a post-credits.
Yeah, there's something at the end. There's always Jeremy always puts something at the end, so we gotta like see what Jeremy puts at the end.
Alright, we're gonna see it at the end, guys.
We're gonna see it. What's happening after the end of Mega Man X. But yeah, that was a good video for now. I think I'm gonna keep it maybe, I guess, 7 or 8 or 9 out of 10.
YouTube members.
Yep, the YouTube members. Any YouTube member. And there's something in the end.
Oh, earlier that day. Warning.
Warning.
Warning. Warning. Warning.
You gotta stay at home. The big boys. We're gonna take care of this. Us, the big boys. And you.
The big boys.
You're so small, and you know it's not that I don't.
You so
I love
small.
I do. I love you. Oh, said I'm listening. But you know
Pause.
you know how I feel. X, just stay at home at HQ.
Stay.
You gotta stay at home at HQ where it's safe. You know, I'm just looking out for you, buddy. I'm just looking for you. Yeah, no, he's not gonna come. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That's basically it.
Okay.
Alright, basically, guys.
Oh, he's
And he
on the wall.
just
guys,
went
you
through
have
the
to watch
wall.
Yeah.
Alright guys, make sure you watch the usual link, subscribe to Eternal Montage. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on. Make sure you give a like on this video. I'll see you guys next video. Later guys, thanks for
Ow.
watching. Deuces.
Let the darkness shine.